Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll test this Grok 4 inside Cursor because Cursor has announced that Grok 4 is available in Cursor. We are curious to hear what you think, and this is the official post of Cursor. And many of you also asked me that how to do the setup this Grok 4 inside Cursor because if you just click on this drop down, there this Grok 4 is not visible. So for them, just go to the settings and go to these models here in this and scroll down below, and here you will find this view all models. Now click on it, and there scroll down, you will find this Grok 4. So just turn it on and it will work properly, and you will find that model here in this drop down Grok 4, right? Now, I have seen many tweets on Twitter that many people are telling, yeah, Grok 4 is not that good at all. It writes bogus code, and Grok 4 heavy hallucinations even more. Those four agents do more bad than good it seems. Okay, and here you see that how many fingers. If you ask this picture, it is telling that there are 10 fingers. So it is actually giving the bad result. And one person also pasted the entire source code and got for debugged and fixed it instantly. And also he retweeted this Elon Musk comment. Elon Musk told us that you can use this Grok 4 instead of cursor as a cursor alternative. You can cut and paste your entire source code into this cursor, sorry, into this Grok 4 on their platform grok.com, and it will behave same like the cursor, maybe better than cursor. That you see works better than cursor. Okay. And also this person is telling that I just tested Grok 4. It is really bad at coding and very slow. I feel like these models other than Claude are not making any progress in coding with new updates. GPT, for example, is worse than it was a year ago. It's all just hype. And I also made a video on this. Here you see that Grok 4 is overhyped, and in that video I discussed each and every things of this Grok 4. And in this video we'll do this testing, live testing, and we will make one project, and we'll see that how much this Grok 4 has the capability. So let me paste one this prompt: design a clean and intuitive calendar interface with daily, weekly and monthly views. Enable the ability to add, edit and drag and drop events, and I want to build it in simple JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, because if I use that React, then it will take some time, and in that case, the video will be very much lengthy. And by the way, if it can give the result in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then it will be automatically have the ability to give that result in React also. Now press enter, and I have selected this Grok 4, and I have selected this agent mode. Now press enter, and I have made a folder. This is Grok 4 testing. Inside this folder, I am running this prompt. Okay, so let's see. It is taking some time and it is planning the next moves, because some days ago I made a video on the cursor new updates. Where is that video? In that case, you will understand that cursor also has introduced that planning mode, that you see that agent to dos. This is the to dos update that they have added in their version 1.2. And now here you see that it has written this HTML. Now it is writing this style.css. Let me accept this HTML first. Okay, so it will take some time to build this project, but ultimately the end product should be good, right? Like we can expect some great styling and with great feature. Okay, its CSS file also got completed. Let me accept that also. Now it is writing that JavaScript. It is pretty much fast, and its JavaScript also completed. Let me accept that. Okay, it has added this readme file also, how to run, etc, etc. It is good, guys. It's good. And it has added this feature like views, month, week, day, event management, add, edit events via model, drag and drop, move events across test time, responsive design, works on mobile and desktop. Okay, okay, so accept it. No external dependency it has added. Events are stored in memory and refreshing the page will clear them. Yes, obviously we are not adding any dependency or storage because I have not asked it to store it anywhere. So one thing I can do, I have this live server extension. So I can click on this go live. Okay. So July 25, 2025. Next, if I do August 2025 and previous June, it is getting changed. Month I can select week. Okay, I can select day for the particular day also. Now if I select add event, suppose YouTube video, I want to make it at time, give some time. Okay, and yes, and here also give some time. Click on save. Is it getting saved anywhere? Okay, I think I have given this date as 16, right? So if I go to that 16 date, I hope I will be able to see that. But where is that 16? So after this July 15, if I click on the next, the 16 date is not coming. I'm clicking on the 16, it is coming as 17. Okay, so on this July 17, if I add it, okay, so if I just write simply A B C D and on this July 17 and okay, time, let's change this 11 and here also give the same time 17 July and give the same time 12. So start time is 11:19 and end time is 12:19. Now save it. Okay, it is not getting added in this calendar, right? It is one of the bug that I have found, but otherwise the functionality wise it is working fine. Okay, it got added, guys. So if I was it in the form of week, okay, it is showing. If I was it in the form of day, so it's Sunday, okay, Sunday, July 13 to Saturday, July 19, where it got added. Okay, in the form of day, it is not showing, but in the form of month, if I see it, here you see that it is showing. And if I click on it, it is working. And if I click on it, it is working perfectly. The data is getting populated. So the app is working perfectly for me, guys, but it is not that much modern. So if I want to make it modern, then what I can do? What I can do? What I can do? I can go to Google Stitch. Okay, Google Stitch, because it is one of the great designer, Google Stitch, and I can upload this picture that make it more modern, right? So I can simply paste this prompt. What was my prompt? My prompt was this one. Copy it and paste it here. Generate design. Okay. So it will generate the design. Let's wait for some time. And I have also made this video, guys, previously. If you go to our channel Code Egypt, and there if you search this Stitch, Stitch, and there you will find this video, Google Stitch, Stitch. Okay, it actually gives you the great design. So it will take some time to think that prompt that you have given, and ultimately at the end it will give you the great design, which you can use to upload that design in cursor, and then it will give you a great look in your app. So my target is that this app is working perfectly for me, and it is storing that events also in a great way, but I want to make it some kind of modern. I want to make it. So it is asking me that I can design the user interface for a calendar application daily. I cannot provide the, okay. So it is telling that I cannot provide the code. Okay, provide me the design. Provide me the design. Press enter. Okay, provide spelling got wrong. It got private. Okay, so now it is generating that design, guys. Let's wait for some time and it will give you the great design. I have already tested it. Many people are telling that this Grok 4 is crap and expensive. Claude 4 Sonnet is expensive, but it is doing its job. I tried Grok 4, then hard to quickly switch back to Claude. And Elon Musk commented that please fix the cursor and Grok communication flow. Okay, Grok, sit my seat up, make a comprehensive to-do list, and everything is broke. That is broken in this platform. Please and blah blah blah. Cursor currently lobotomizes Grok with non-essential intermediate communication steps. If this gets fixed, using cursor will be better. Okay, this can be the reason because in this Elon Musk. Okay, so you see that the design is now is very powerful. So what I can do, I can copy this design. Okay, I can copy this design, and if I generate this design for the web also, then also it looks good, I think. So if I go to back, okay, I generated this design for the mobile. Now let's select it for the web and paste the same, but just remove this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now press enter. Now it will generate that design. Okay, now it will generate the design. I hope this time it will give you the great design. So this can be the reason that many people are not getting the correct code and correct a great design, because Elon Musk is saying that there is some defect in the communication steps between the Grok 4 and cursor. So I hope they have fixed it, because the design that I have got, it is actually perfectly working, but we need to actually give it a great design. This actually looks perfect for me. So where you see it is not okay. This is different because here you see that it is giving me the month wise. Okay, July 2025. So 1 to 1 to 30, right? 1 to 31st, 1 to 31st July. And here you see that design is October 2024. And here you see in this July 2025, you should not see this June month dates, right? Here you see that June month dates 29/30 is showing, but you should not see that. And also after this July, here this August 1 and 2 is also showing. You should not see that, because here you see it is actually a standard design that Google Street has given. Only this October 2024 dates are showing, and here this 5 is selected, and for that only you should get that timings and all of that things. So I can copy this, or I can take the screenshot of this design and provide it to Google sorry, cursor, and let's see that what Grok 4 can do. Now I can ask it that please change your design, or please change the design of this project like this image, like this image. Okay, press enter, and let's see what cursor can do. Planning next moves. Until the time it is generating the new design from this image, we can read the comments that people are posting on Twitter. And you see that it is actually a cycle, that whenever OpenAI is posting or actually publishing any new model, then Gemini is publishing another new model, and after that Claude is publishing another new model, and after that Grok is publishing another new model. So the cycle is going on. Okay, so Grok is saying that their model is based there. They have published the world's most powerful model, Grok 4. And after some day, this OpenAI can publish another new model, the GPT-5. We don't know why GPT-5 publish got delayed. So if I go to this Twitter again, and if I search Sam Altman, I think he posted one tweet yesterday. Yes, this one, that we plan to launch our open weight model next week. We are delaying it. We need some time to run additional safety tests and review high risk areas. We are not yet sure how long it will take us. While we trust the community will build great things with this model, once weights are out, they cannot be pulled back. So this is new for us and we want to get it right. Sorry to be bearer of this bad news. We are working super hard. Maybe this due to this, okay, this styling and HTML got changed. Let me accept it first. Okay, maybe due to this Grok 4 that they are claiming they have beaten all of this GPT model and also this Claude 4 opens models. Maybe due to that this GPT-5 got delayed because they want to make sure that this GPT-5 should have the best result and than the other model, like it should have a great capability than the great Grok 4 also. Okay, now it is looking very beautiful. Here you see that today, week and month. Okay, now we have this create button and here you see for this 13 means today is 13, right? So for this 13 it is showing as a bluish color and also if I click on this create model pop-up, it's okay. Okay, let's select one date, see that 13 and here also select this 13 and this 9, save it to video. Okay, it actually works guys. Here you see that I asked it to make it show like in this way. Here you see in this as a radio button one by one, means there will be date first and after that under this date all of that events will be shown. And here you see that now it is perfectly working under this July 13. Okay, there is some date issue that I added the event on July 13 but it got added to July 14, but that can be fixed. If I asked this Grok 4, then it will understand and it will fix that. That is not an issue. But you see that after uploading this design, it actually works perfectly. It has added the styling and also it has added that one by one radio button type of styles. So for me, here you see that it actually perfectly working. But I tested the same things with Claude, and there I got a better design. Yeah. And also one thing I mentioned in my previous video that Grok 4 is not for the coding. They will publish their coding model in the upcoming August month. So for that we have to wait. But it is not that much bad. Okay, so people are saying that Grok 4 is bad, but it is not that much bad. Okay, it has really fixed that issue and the design issue. And also you see that it is working perfectly. It is not that much bad. So you can try it. Okay, you can try it. It is working perfectly. Okay. So I hope you found this detailed analysis video of this Grok 4 with cursor integration is very helpful guys, and the live code that I have shown you, I hope you got that is that how it actually works, and also you got the flow that how you can make one app beautiful with the help of Google Stitch so that you can publish a more great app, right? So if you found this video helpful guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.